Hi there, students. Spurious. Okay, to me, spurious gives the idea of something that is not valid. It's dubious. Perhaps it's not relevant or not wanted. So I think you could probably split the meaning of spurious into two. One saying something that is not valid, and the second, something that's not relevant, it's not wanted. So, for example, his argument is spurious. It's not valid. There is a fundamental error in his reasoning. Or perhaps as well, it's not relevant to what we're talking about. I was trying to concentrate on my work, but I kept having spurious thoughts about different things that were not relevant to what I was concentrating on. Stray thoughts that really were not helping me at all. I've noticed in most of the dictionaries and definitions, they concentrate on the idea of spurious, meaning false, counterfeit, fake, bogus, not authentic, not genuine. And yes, you can use spurious like this. A painting spuriously attributed to Van Gogh. So they made a mistake when they attributed it to him. But this goes to the idea of a fundamental error in their reasoning. I think most normally we use spurious to talk about mental things, about thoughts, about reasoning, about things in our mind. Although, yes, there was a man on the street corner selling spurious Nike shoes, or Nike as many people say, but I say Nike. Okay, so they're counterfeit, they're not the real thing, they're bogus. But for me, spurious concentrates more on reasoning that's not valid or something that is not relevant. So in class, when students are bored, they try to get me to talk about spurious subjects, things that are not relevant to what we are learning. They have no link with the aim of it. And then spurious as well, not reasoned properly. The reasoning is spurious. The logic is spurious. It's not valid. It's not trustworthy. It's false. Yeah? But not necessarily fake. The person has tried to reason this properly, but they haven't done it well. And therefore their reasoning is fake. It's wrong. So, what about the origin of spurious? Well, spurious comes directly from Latin, meaning illegitimate. I think born when the parents are not married. And you used to be able to use spurious in English to mean illegitimate, an illegitimate child. But they don't use it like that anymore. Okay, now next question is formality. I think spurious is a great word. I'd probably give it 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation in the pub, but you might just want to use the word wrong, irrelevant, a red herring, not thought out. I think spurious in a semi-formal and very formal context sound really good, yeah? It's saying irrelevant and wrong, and it's a good word to use instead of wrong to show your brilliant vocabulary. Okay, so spurious, and then the adverb spuriously. So spurious, slightly formal, but you could use it anywhere, informal and formal, meaning there's a fundamental error in the reasoning or logic of something. It's false, it's counterfeit, yeah, it's wrong, or meaning something that is not relevant to the matter at hand, unwanted, stray. Okay, so spurious. I hope this video has not been spurious to your vocabulary needs. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Spurious.